guys, welcome back to my channel, My Hobby House. Today I'm here to show you how to make a welcome wall hanging with these wooden planks. This wall hanging is trending right now in Instagram. You can customize it as per your needs. You can put your door number, name or anything you want. If you want to buy one like this, please contact me through Instagram. These wall hangings are fully hand painted and handwritten ones. For most of us, the writings will be a most challenging part. So in this video, I'll teach you a simple trick that you can follow. So don't skip the video, watch it till the end. So before getting into the video, if you're new here, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for notifications. So let's quickly get into the video. So I have 6 wooden planks, and as you can see, I have drilled holes on the sides, 2 holes on each side of the plank. Now the first coat I'm going to apply is gesso. I'm using white gesso. I have applied gesso to all the 6 planks and it's dried completely. Now the next coat will be chalk paint. You can also use acrylic paint. I'm going to use rainbow colors for these 6 planks. So I have here red, orange, yellow, green, blue and violet. In a paper, you can write the wordings that you want to trace it on the wooden plank, or you can just take a printout. I always prefer writing it on my own. So I have the paper here, welcome to our for the first plank. On the back side of the paper, use a chalk piece and rub it on the whole space. On the front side, you can trace over your wordings and you can see the impression of chalk on your wooden plank. Some people use carbon paper to trace the wordings, but carbon paper will make your paint messy, so you will need a lot of touch-ups. I find this method to be the best one for me. I would say this method of tracing using chalk would be the perfect way. Now you can start writing with your paint. So now I have completed with the writing part. You can see I have finished all the 6 wooden planks. So the next step is to varnish our boards. This is a glossy decor varnish from Little Birdie. Apply it on your boards and just spread it. Varnish gives glossy finish to our boards and also it protects our paint for longer. Here I have the macrame thread to connect my planks and for hanging it. I'm sticking the tip with the Fevicol so that it will be easier to pass through the holes. Tie the ends by putting a knot. On the back side, you can just stick the thread with a glue gun so that the alignment doesn't move. That's it, our beautiful welcome wall hanging is ready. Hope you liked the video and the simple technique of tracing. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos like this. Also, follow my Instagram page to get regular updates. I post all my artworks there. You can have a look, and if you want to buy anything, you can just contact me. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.